my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up and chase you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a look I did last week. Again, I'm late in editing and all that stuff. I'm behind, but this week I should be back on track, okay? Right guys, so I didn't show the palette, but I'm starting off with the James Charles collaboration palette with Morphe, and I am just using Cola first, and then I'm going to go on top of Cola with Escape, and then I'm going to blend out Escape with Skip. Right after Skip, I'm going to go in with B, and that will be my final color underneath my brow bone. Now that that is blended, I'm going in with the Garnier Micellar water, and I'm just cleaning up the excess shadow underneath so that when I cut my crease with my white P. Louise base, it will remain white. So I'm going in with the Posh Culture Color Me Caribbean palette, and out of that palette I basically just use coconut milk. Then I'm going in with the Juvias Place Masquerade Mini using Zola. Then I'm going to go back into the Color Me Caribbean palette and use Royalty just to end up this look. Next up, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'll be going in my waterline with that, and that's basically because I want to put Zola on the bottom, but obviously I want it to stand out, so I just lined it with the Jumbo Pencil because, you know, it will make it pop. You know, NYX does some really good products, and that Jumbo Pencil is definitely like one of my favorites of NYX. So I'm just smoking out the bottom of my lash line with Cola and Skip, I think it is. I'll leave all the shades below just so you guys know exactly. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. Then I'll add the NYX Vinyl Liner to give myself a nice wing and add lashes, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. Right, so lashes are on, and you guys know me. I'm artistic, but I'm not very artistic in the sense that I don't think that I can draw straight lines. So I basically cut all these out, outline them, and fill them in. Majority of the time, if anything is drawn on my face, this is my step. Like, this is what I do. So this is the Chanel one. I'm showing you this, and then I'll just show you all the rest on without actually showing you the process, because I'm actually showing you the process of what I am doing now with the Chanel. So it will be Chanel, then I'll put Fendi's logo on, and then I'll put Louis Vuitton's logo on. And also, just to say, for this I'm using the MAC gel liner in black, as I always do. That's pretty much what I use for everything that's drawn on my face. And this is it, guys. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with this, but the Rich Queen basically is what's going on here. So I hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.